How are you doing today? Open house walkthrough tour. Today is 4575 Oak Park Drive. We are in the premier neighborhood of Grand Oaks Manor here in Oxford, Wildwood. Depends on what side of the street you walk in on. I love the designs and stuff of these homes in here. All the way from using the zoysia and landscaping. They got these beautiful doors. The designs are wonderful. This home here is actually a willow model, and it has won designer awards. You see why. Very open concept. It's a ranch style home. There's a couple different versions of this, and you can customize what you want, which is a great thing about this community. So you see, we walk in, the foyer takes us right into the living room with these beautiful vaulted ceilings. We're going to start this way and go clockwise today. This would be bedroom number 3. Beautiful barn doors on it. It's a good size bedroom. This is the front, looking over the front yard. Nice big deep closets. Yeah. Battery there. Great if you want to do build-ins as well. Some have used this as the office. These wonderful barn doors. Just the design in this community is wonderful. If you head down the hallway here, just to the right, there's a nice size linen or coat closet here as well. Here to the left is bedroom number 2. See here, good size spare bedrooms here. Yeah, it's wonderful with these high ceilings as well. Right around the corner, we have our guest bathroom. We have ceiling to tub tile. Another look at the vanity and mirror here. Alright, as we head back down this hallway here, head back into the living and dining area. The chandelier here right over the dining area. In the kitchen here we have double door pantry. Gives you a nice amount of space here for all the goods you have. It's nice because it's so close to the kitchen and not in the way. They do a great job, I think, with these designs. This nice peninsula out here, and you have the breakfast bar on this side. Put stools. But they did a good job because in a kitchen, you want to have what's called a triangle between your sink here to your stove or range and your refrigerator. So there's room in between if you need to work. Just look at these. Wonderful upgraded appliance, all Whirlpool. This is a neighborhood that does have natural gas as well. Dishwasher is nicely hidden back here, so this way you can enjoy these beautiful upgraded cabinets. So this is one of my favorite things. These sliding doors, the way they open up. Slide them open here so you can see. Normally that's where most people stop. But these beautiful things open all the way up. And what's wonderful about it, look at this. It allows you to extend your living space, the actual space where you're at and living. Some people put up screen lanais here, but I think this is such an underrated feature. Having this opening like this gives a lot of natural light in, but look, if you are entertaining people, look at this. You have this open for birthday parties, graduations, many things. The outdoor living area here. Some have actually put outdoor kitchens here. Again, the gas line can be ran here and here. I've seen it. There are some you can see that have fireplaces as well. They have like a server window here. And we're headed right over here next to the master bedroom. First, actually, there's a little closet here. Right. Little space here when you come in the house. Nice big 2-car garage. And this does have an entrance exit to the garage. I know some people really like that feature. So laundry room, we're gonna get back to that in just a second. And you're like, oh wait, I wanna see that. Tray ceilings here in the master, large master bedroom. As you can see here, I'll rotate around. It's a wonderful view out to the patio. Again, doors that open up all the way. All right, we head in here to the master bathroom. This wonderful mirror here. You can get every angle with that one. Now tucked away behind, this model has actually a little linen closet in here. Not everyone has this. Some have this area open and no door. One you'll actually see has like a quarter wall here, and the rest is open. Some actually have tubs here. So again, it's the beauty about this, you can customize it. But this one has a private toilet lavatory. It's wonderful glass backing. It's considered a walk-in, like a Roman style shower. There's no door. Again, there's an option. Some people put windows, a full window here, but this is typically what comes. And they'll have a bathtub here. So that can be added as well. And you see matching cabinets and countertops throughout. All right, now here is one of the beautiful features here of the room. It's the pocket door. I love pocket doors. If you watch any of my videos, this is probably one of the best inventions people don't talk about enough. It's pocket doors. But this is a tremendous walk-in closet. See, with the high ceilings in here, gives you a lot of room and a lot of opportunity as well. But this is really cool. There's another pocket door. Yes, that's what. And the washroom is right off of the master. It's in the front of the house, but it's also right off the master bedroom. It's easy to get to if somebody needs to come in and wash their hands. They can do it here. Some people have used this as workspace, put a pet bed there, but just look at the storage space that's already in here as well. Beautiful cabinetry in here, and another closet. Great amount of storage space in this house. They utilize all of the space really well. If you have any questions on this one or other ones here in Oxford, the Villages, Wildwood, Central Florida area, Leesburg, Mount Dora, give me a call or text 352-403-3730. Online at mattlongrealtor.com. Everywhere on social media, you already know, Matt Long Realtor. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow, hit the thumbs up, the heart, emoji it. But if you hit that little bell when you subscribe, you'll get new content as it comes out. Thank you for joining me on this open house tour.